Namaste. Welcome to All in One channel. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. As I told you before, I'm going to teach you acupressure points for cold, cough and phlegm. See, this is a portion which represents our lungs. Okay, here you should press like this. Press nicely for 5 minutes. Okay, this entire thumb portion you have to press like this. Okay, this represents a head portion, so here you have to press, because in cold you will collect water here, so to drain out this water you have to press here. And here it represents a nose portion, so you have to press here. And from here to here, neck portion, throat. Okay, so here to you should press like this nicely. Okay, from morning 5 minutes, afternoon 5 minutes, evening 5 minutes and night 5 minutes, you should press here and here. So if you do regularly this for 3 to 4 days or 1 week, definitely you can clear your cough, cold and phlegm. Thank you.